Exercise number 5. Ready. The Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948 was good so far as it went full stop. But, unfortunately, the spirit of it could not be understood or appreciated by the common man in this country, full stop. So, a new orientation of this policy was given, full stop, and the Honorable Prime Minister, after his return from China, publicly declared that the future policy of the country, or rather the future pattern of society, will be the socialist pattern, full stop. That was further emphasized by the resolution passed at the Awadi session of the Congress, and later reiterated by Shri Dibar, President of the Indian National Congress, full stop. New paragraph. I am very glad to say that the spirit of it has been caught by the nation today, full stop. If I may say so, the nation has taken up the challenge for scruting the socialist pattern of society, full stop. It behoves all sections, both inside this house as well as outside, without having mutual requirement, full stop, to try and propagate in a sincere in manner and establish the socialist pattern of society indicated by the statements of the great leaders of our society, of our country, full stop. New paragraph. It may be relevant and pertinent, if I refer to a few sentences from the memorandum presented on the 4th June 1939 by our Prime Minister, who was the chairman of the All India Planning Committee, which came into existence when there was provincial autonomy in the provinces, full stop. On page 39 and 40 of that report, he stated, new paragraph, it is clear that the drawing up of a comprehensive national plan becomes clearly an academic exercise with no relation to reality unless the planning authority or those to whom it is responsible are in a position to give effect to the plan, full stop. If this authority is powerless or curriculum circumcised or restricted and has limited activities, it cannot plan, full stop. An essential prerequisite for planning is thus complete freedom and independence for the country and removal of all outside control, full stop. The implies that the country possesses in itself full sovereign authority to take any measures, adopt any policies, and form any relations with other countries as may seem best to its governing authority in the interests of the country and its people. Full stop. National independence is thus an indispensable primary for taking all the steps that might be found necessary for carrying out the 5 years plan in all its various aspects throughout the whole country. Full stop.